Hey guys, welcome to Pippin and Dippin Academy's YouTube channel. Thank you so much. If you're a returning visitor, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below here and make sure you hit the bell so you get notified anytime we have a new video that we post. If you're returning, again, thank you. Thank you for sharing it with people. Our page has been growing a lot over the last couple weeks here. We're getting more and more interest in our academy, and we just want to say thank you for that. My name is Joe Von Grigson, and I have my partner in crime, Hunter the Pip Hunter Burkett, here with me. Hunter, you want to say hello?
What's up? What's up going on, guys? What is up?
So in just a second, you're gonna get all of Hunter, all of his knowledge. He's gonna share it. Well, not all of it. We're not gonna give you all the secrets, right? However, today we want to talk to you about the only scalping strategy that you need to know. You can forget all the rest. You can stop watching any of the other videos. You can go ahead and just watch this one scalping strategy. And Hunter's going to show you live exactly how to step-by-step go through that process. It's the only one you'll ever need to know. Before you do that though, if you've hit subscribe, make sure at the end that you hit I subscribe, or you type in I subscribed in the comment section below. If you have any questions or you have any comments about the video or maybe future videos you'd like us to do for you, then please put that in there so we can pay attention to that and make sure that we're getting you the videos that you'd like to see more of. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to my partner, Hunter, and Hunter is going to share his screen here with you and walk you through the only scalping strategy that you ever need to know.
Yes. What's going on, guys? So yeah, before I even share my screen, guys, I wanna hit on a few key points about scalping. Guys, you know that 90 something percent of people fail in the market, okay? And 90% of those are scalpers, okay? So the reason why I'm showing you a scalping method is because it's just really a knockoff of our actual trading style, okay? And what I'm about to go through with you is the stuff that I've showed you in all previous videos on our YouTube channel, okay? And it's just all we're doing is stepping down to the lower time frame and doing the same thing, right? But I'm not using this scalping strategy to get an enormous amount of pips, guys. I'm getting, that's what scalping means, is getting a piece and getting out, being disciplined with getting a piece and being happy with that piece and getting out of the market, okay? Yeah, it might run another 20, 50 pips. Who cares? You scored off of it. Take your your 1-to-1 and get out, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna do it on gold first. Share my screen here, and here we go. Okay, guys, now, as you know, Joe and I are market maker traders, okay? We look for our cycles, where our direction is, our peak formation highs, our peak formation lows on the higher time frame, right? And then we drop down to our 15-minute time frame and we catch our entries, right? We trade with the banks, we trade with the market makers, okay? So in instance, sometimes Joe and our students are waiting patiently for our set, right? In the meantime, we could be utilizing, the 5-minute to catch a little spurt of a movement and capitalize on it, right? And as you know, if you've watched any of our other videos, I've always hit on a 4-hour shark fin produces what? A 1-hour MRW, okay? A 1-hour shark fin produces what? A 15-minute MRW. Now, same thing. A 15-minute shark fin produces a 5-minute MRW, okay? Now remember, you're taking a 15-minute shark fin. Are all these going to be 100%? Absolutely not. Scalping is not 100%. It's very risky. It's fast, and you have to keep your emotions in check. Okay, you're going to be taking a lot more trades when you trade this way. Okay, so I've got some boxes here that I've got marked up. I'm not going to do all of them. I'm just going to do the ones that are just standing out to me as a good one. You see the box that I have here, and preferably, guys, trade them in the direction of the trend if you can, right? you can get into a sideways market where you can capitalize up and down. And like this example here, you can see that we were sideways here on the 15-minute time frame, and we were able to capitalize on some of these shark fins that you see. Okay, like this one. Okay, let's go back and see if we can find any more. Like I said, I didn't do a whole bunch of them on gold, and I'm going to show you other pairs. There's 2 there. There's another one here. There's another one there, and you can see that this one was with the trend. Okay, as this was probably a peak formation high set and then drop. As you can see, this is a multi-day M pattern. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the 5-minute, and I'm going to show you how profitable these trades are. Okay, so remember, 1 hour, 15-minute shark fin, 5-minute M or W. Okay, now remember, once you get down to the 5-minute and you start to take your entry, set a 1-to-1 and get out of the market. I'm gonna say that again. Set a 1-to-1 and get out of the market. Don't try to capitalize as much as you can on these trades. It's just, there's no reason to. Okay, there's no reason to. And the reason why I say that twice is because you got to be disciplined with trading in general, guys. Okay, so let's go to the 5-minute. Let's start with on this one here, July 27th. Okay, go to the 5-minute, and you can see, guys. And if you watch any of our other videos, I explain what I'm about to explain in those videos too as well. Okay, so you can see here on gold, this was a 15-minute shark fin. What else do you have here, guys? What else do you have here in this box? And what else do you have here on your TDI? You're overbought it for one, right? You're at your extreme zones. You're at your extreme zone on your Bollinger Bands on your TDI. You have a shark out of the water, back in the water, and you also have divergence. Okay, right there. Okay, so let's just say, sorry for that. Okay, so you can see that our entry was here when we crossed the 50, right? So let's just say on this candle, this bearish candle here. Okay, so we got in here. Let's just draw back to structure. So 43 pip stop loss. Okay, now let's get the same thing. Were you able to get it? Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. It did run further. It did run further, a lot further. Okay, now if you were on the higher time frames and you were on the 15-minute and you were analyzing, you're like, Hunter, this trade's gonna go a lot further. Can I hold it? Absolutely, absolutely. Because you analyze on the higher time frame. If you're just trading off the 5-minute and you're just catching your 15-minute shark fins, just take a 1-to-1 and get out, guys. Okay, so in this instance, this is a perfect box. So what I'll do is I'll clone it, and guys, you can see that you got a 1-to-1 easy on this trade. Okay, easy. Okay, did it go further? Absolutely. Now, if you were going to try to make this go further, once you got your 1-to-1, bring your stop loss to break even. Risk-free trade. Okay, risk-free trade. Let's go to another. And the next one I will show you, was that July
20? You're on the 23rd.
Okay, we need to scroll back this way. Okay, here's another one, guys. Look at this. What do we have? 15-minute shark fin, 5-minute M or W. Okay, it's perfect. So where's our entry at? I'm gonna put a line here. Boom. We got a cross of the 50 on the TDI. We got some divergence going on. We're overbought. It's good. We're solid, right? Let's get this box going, and let's see if we were able to score. Let's see. We got into right here. Okay. Now let's see if we were able to score a 1-to-1. Absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. Good trade. Okay. Good trade. Let's see. I don't think there's any more this way. Go back this way. Okay. And guys, you using divergence with your confluence is a very good idea. Okay. Is a very good idea. Divergence it's a must in my trading plan. Okay. Look at this one. Look how beautiful this trade is. Okay. So there's our box. pretty much got in that same area. Yep. Okay. Entry was on that good bearish candle right there. Boom. Got a little pullback. We got some discounted entries inside there. Okay. Look what else do we have. Oh, wrong one. What else do we have? Divergence. Okay. Right here on the TDI. What else do we have? Shark out of the water, back in the water. Oh my God, what the heck? Just grabbing the wrong one. Okay, right here. Boom. Okay, now let's see if we get a 1-to-1. Boom. Absolutely. Flawlessly a 1-to-1. Guys, the reason why that we trade the way we trade is because most of your M or W's are good straightaway runs. They got the most high probability as far as getting the pips that you want out of your pair, right? You can see here this little W here. You see, you know, it took off. Boom, you got your pips, right? They happen all over the place, all over the place. Okay, even on our other pairs we teach. Okay, market maker way, M's and W's, guys, M's and W's. Okay, I think there's one more, and you can see them all over the place, guys. Here's another one. Okay, this one was perfect too as well. 15-minute shark fin. What else do we have? Do we got some divergence across the board? Absolutely. Right here, shark out of the water, back in the water. Okay, our entry was there. Let me move that over. One candle, boom. Entry, okay. Yeah, right there, entry, okay. Now let's see if we got a 1-to-1. Stop loss, we'll just call this good. Look at there, guys, boom. A 1-to-1, easy, easy. You understand what I'm saying? 15-minute shark fins, 5-minute M or W, okay? These are straightaway runs, guys. It's pretty much no drawdown. And you can get your money and you can get out of the market. That is what scalping means. Scalp the market, get your pips, and get out. Okay? I think, did I have any more on gold? I think so. That's fine. Okay, I'll go to CAD JPY is a good one. I've already got them marked up for you. I'll do these three right here. Do you see? And guys, the sharper the shark fin, the better they are. Remember that. Write that down if you have to. The sharper the shark fin, the better they are. Now, guys, you see shark fins all the time, but that's the thing. That's where the practice comes in. Don't take these trades unless you have confidence. Just because it's a shark fin doesn't mean it's going to go your favor. Okay? Do your analysis. Have a trading plan and set in stone. Okay? You can see shark fins all over the place. Most of these hit because they're exhausted out of the Bollinger Bands, right? So, and that's what we love to see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the 5-minute and I'll watch these trades. Now this is on CAD JPY, right? This ain't gold. But it's like, oh, look at here. What do we have? W pattern. Okay. Divergence. Shark out of the water, back in the water. Right? Where's our entry? Right there. Boom. Okay. We get in. So our stop loss here, so we get in about right there. Let's see if we can get a 1-to-1 out of it. Absolutely, guys. That was today. That was today. Okay.
During NFP week, guys. During NFP week.
During NFP. Exactly what he said. Here's another one. Okay. Let's just say we get into right here. Okay, our stop loss is here. That's fine. We do not have divergence here because you got a lower leg here, and you have it's pretty much mirroring what's happening. Okay, so now let's find our entry. Right there. Okay, so perfect with the box. Now let's see if we got our 1-to-1. Did we? Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. Got our 1-to-1 and out of the market. Okay. Let's go to this other one. Oh, perfect one. Okay. Where's our entry? I'm just going to place it on that candle because I know that's what it looks like. Boom. Money. Divergence. Absolutely. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now let's see if we got a 1-to-1. Oh man, absolutely. You see what I'm saying, guys? This is money. This is easy work. This is money. If you're into, it's just like this, guys. If this was actual the move, which it was on CAD JPY, let's go to the 15-minute time frame and I'll show you. Okay, so in this trade right here, I called this trade. Joe and I called this trade for our students for the sell, right? Because we are trading with the market makers, right? We see our type 3 M pattern coming out of Asian, left leg, down, right leg, drop, enter, she's gone, right? But now we have a nasty shark fin, oversold. What can we do? We can get a 1-to-1 out of here and counter a little bit, right? Same thing here, right? Now you see that this one didn't play out, but more than likely we didn't have confluence here, guys. We didn't have confluence here on the 5-minute, right? And also too, guys, we teach our students. I know that this was right there at the borderline of trading. We teach our students, do not trade after London. I mean, after New York. New York is closed. So we wouldn't be trading in this area, no way. The reason why is because you can see what it does from this point on. Consolidation. I'm going to collect contracts. I'm going to collect orders. I'm going to consolidate. I'm going to raise the spreads. It makes sense to do that, guys. Okay. And also too, guys, it's a riskier trade. It is riskier trading because it's scalping for one, and 9 times out of 10, you're going to count it, right? Because if you're trading the real way, you're going to catch that anyway, and then you're going to counter, right? But you can trade it both ways, absolutely. Okay, let's go to GU. I haven't brought up on GU too as well. Let's actually, I didn't even mark up any. Let's mark up some. Let's mark up this one. There's a 15-minute shark fin. And see, you can see some shark fins, guys, that these are 15-minute W patterns that we took as a whole, as Pippin and Dippin, baby. And we took these trades because we understand where our market direction is at. Right now, let's just go and let's pinpoint some shark fins. We can get some of these. I'm down with that. That one was in Asian. I'm not gonna get that one. We'll get this one. That one was borderline. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, we'll find some. Here's one. Actually, I don't want to go back that far. I'll stay in this area. I'll find some for sure. Here's one. There's one. Okay. Here's one. Okay. Here's another. Here's 2 of them. Okay. There's 2 of them, but I guarantee this wouldn't give you confidence. Okay. We'll look at it. Remember, like I said, it's not always going to be perfect. Let's look at this one too. This is today. And this one was during, I'm not even going to count that one. I really didn't. I'm just really not even really right there. Okay. So we'll go to, we're at the 15-minute. Let's go to the 5. Okay. Here we go. Left leg comes up, makes a right leg, right? No divergence. Enter the market right there. It's perfect for the box. Let's clone it. 1-to-1. Oh, look at that end pattern. Wow. So let's see. We would end up right here. Stop loss. So let's bring this up a little bit right there. That would be our entry. Let's see. Yep, right there. And it did pull back on us, got another leg and came down. Stop loss is here, never got hit. Let's clone. And boom, 1-to-1. Okay, same thing here. Entry was here. Yep. Okay, so we'll bring this up right there. Clone, 1-to-1, absolutely. Okay, look at this beautiful one. Entry was right there. We'll bring her down. We'll bring her up a little bit right there. Clone, 1-to-1. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that little one. Left leg come down, right leg, she's gone. Perfect entry. Move the stop loss up a little bit. Okay, you already know that's a 1-to-1. And drop. Okay, now do you see how accurate these things are? Now they're not always going to work out like that, guys. Like, you got to be precise on your trade. I wanted to look at that trade for you guys. Let's see. For this one here. Okay, this one may have got you. May have got you. Okay, this one here would have got you, which is fine. It's fine. You're not going to win them all, guys. You're not going to win them all. You're not going to win them all. This is scalping too, so you're going to experience more losses than you normally would trading on the proper time frames. Okay, so Joe and I wanted to show you this because when we're in some consolidating markets, moving sideways, and we're trading in our London and New York session, these are some of the sets that we look for, and that we can capitalize on, and then patiently wait for our big move, right? So did I miss anything, Joe?
No, man, that's good. That's good. So just to recap, so the first thing they're looking for, 15-minute shark fin. Second thing they're looking for is the M or W on the 5-minute. And then the divergence, guys, Hunter is the king of divergence. And when you're first new to trading, it's sometimes hard to identify. However, we'll include a link to a video here for divergence that we've done, that Hunter and I did for you guys a while back, so you can see actually how to mark up and identify divergence and the different types of divergence. So it simplifies it. And then once you got it, like Hunter said, you take it, get your pips, and get out. 1-to-1, get out.
Exactly. And guys, I want to say one more thing is preferably the better ones that you see, as you can see, that actually good runs, they're pretty much overbought and oversold. Okay, like this one was overbought in the extreme area. Okay, now you can dot that down. That's just going to allow you to have a better probability in your accuracy. Okay,
so there you go. So 15-minute shark fin, drop to the 5-minute, looking for the M or W, making sure that it's at the extreme area, overbought, oversold on the TDI. And if you've got divergence there, it's even better. Other than that, guys, take the trade, 1-to-1, get out. You can use simple rules too. If you take a scalp, you're not supposed to be in the market for a long period of time. You're supposed to be in that for very quick and get out. So you saw on a lot of those, it was within, less than an hour, they were in and out of the trade. So that's what a scalp should be. If you're in a trade for longer than, 2 hours on a trade, it's not that it won't win. It's, however, you might want to see about breaking even and looking for another scalp, because scalping is not intended to be you hold the trade for 2, 3, 4 hours or even a half a day or anything like that. It's meant to be in and out of the market. Get your pips, get your pippin, and get to dipping, right? So just like we teach. So Hunter, that was good, man.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah. And the other thing is, guys, just if you've been watching our videos, this scalping strategy coincides with our big strategy, right? Just like Hunter said, only difference is on our bigger setups, we're using a couple different things to help us with confluence, and we're looking for those big M&W setups through multi-day, all right, where they're nice big runs. So with that, guys, that was fantastic. Hunter, anything else?
Nope.
Before we close it out? Right on. Hey guys, thank you again for stopping by. We're so excited, we're grateful, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Again, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and pound it, all right? If you liked, if you have a question about something in the video, go ahead and put it in the comments. Make sure you put I subscribed in the comments as well. So for those very few of you, we may just have a special gift for you. Go ahead and put I subscribed, leave a comment, and then guys, don't be afraid to, if you found value in this, all right, we'd love for you to share it. We thank you so much for sharing it. And until then, guys, Hunter, go ahead and close us out, brother.
Keep pipping and dipping, guys.